Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Basically, today we are going to talk about the Formula Award. Basically, up to what level the Formula Award is connected, and up to what level the attributes are connected, and how basically it's affecting the balance sheet. How basically it's connected with the balance sheet. In detail of that, basically, we are going to talk a little bit about the medical industry. Basically, so medical industry says that we basically have to connect each and every sector. Basically here basically we are talking about the software industry. Software industry is that we have already created our property up to 10 to 20,000 buildings, 10 to 20,000 cities basically we can say. So like this 20 to 20,000 cities basically, that is basically property of the software industry you can say. But if this software 10 20,000 softwares which has converted to cities, then basically that has converted into human needs. Then basically by default, the software industry basically says that we have on creation of this software, on creation of these cities, basically we got lots of diseases also. Basically, when this gets entered when these cities. Uh, Software created the cities created from the software energies, and then this software cities is converted to set of energies also, and then basically it has converted to human needs also. So basically whenever the human needs are getting used by the human, basically that is by default basically few body does not support this. So few basically the each and every basically cities, when it has converted to human nodes, before that basically it get passed to the public, the each and every human needs are tested basically you can say. So on the base of test basically there are lots of medicines also prepared. If basically if you get this disease then you have to take this medicine, like this basically each and every, sorry basically like this basically each and every industries is connected, and the medical industry is also connected with the formula water basically you can say. So here basically we are talking about that each and every cities has already converted to energies, and then energies are converted into human needs basically. So like this, if you are consuming the human needs, basically by default it's going to generate blood cells, and it's going to generate disease basically, because each and every disease, each and every body does not supports the energies basically, does not support, each and every body does not support the energy basically. It can it is possible that it will generate a negative energy, and it will generate the positive energy. So basically it's by default basically that each and every energy which are generated, that basically generates negative and positive both type of energy basically. So for that basically um, lots of medicines are also are already created. Sorry basically so there are lots of medicine is also created, because each and every things are done, each and everything has been converted to R&D departments also. So basically that is that energy basically has tested by the set of groups, and then basically due to in that test basically lots of medicine came into picture basically. Like this lots of medicine are also created in the market, because when the human needs this will, when is going to generate in the, sorry, this when this energy is human needs, whenever it's going to enter into market, then by default public are going to purchase the human needs. Then basically the few body does not support the energy, then basically by default you have to take the medicine from the doctor industry and from the medical industry, from the hospital basically. Like this basically each and every things are connected. So here basically medical industries are also connected with the software industry, because the software are also used in this um, softwares are also used uh, in the hospital, in the medical industry, in the pharmacy. Each and every industry are using the softwares basically you can say. So like this basically each and every things are connected with each other. So here the medical industry is also connected. Each and every disease are also connected. Basically, you can say whenever the disease gets generated, then by default it generates into one matrix basically. Right? That is basically that generates into those matrix. Basically, who has created this? It can be software industry also, because software industry says that we have created more than 20,000 cities. So by default, when the cities are converted to human units, basically that is going to be used by the human bodies also. So like this, basically the bodies are going to generate negative and positive energy if they are using that human needs. So by default, basically negative and positive energy are generated, and like this, each and every things are also generated. Like this medical, like this basically each and every things are tested also, and on that test basically lots of um, medicines are also created of the negative energies basically, which has generated in the body basically. So by default, each and every things are also tested also, that also you can see. So like this basically we are talking about the medical industry, which says that we are also into the um, we are also basically into the business market, and business market, you can say it's profit and loss only. So basically nobody do the charity basically. So here basically you can say that each and every medical business industry also are there. So basically medical industry groups are there, pharmacy business industry is there. Reason each and everything basically have done, they have done the investment. So basically they have to take the investment also, and then basically they have to convert the each and every medicine into profit side also basically. So just see basically each and every industry how it's connected basically, you can see. So like this basically this is about the medical industry, hospital industry, and the, you can say, health industry also, you can say. Like this basically each and every things are connected. And this is about the little bit about the formula word basically, which contains the less set of attributes, and set of attributes are basically connected with the set of balance sheet. So basically this is, here basically we are stopping, and this is basically 62nd number formula part basically, and in 63 basically we are going to talk little bit more about the formula word. So here basically we are stopping.